Hey guys, good afternoon. It's Friday, almost the weekend, and today we have another dashcam installation here at Bloodworks Philippines, and we are installing our fan favorite, the A129 Pro Duo from Viofo. This is a dual channel dashcam. As you can see here, this is the rear camera. We have another camera up front. Now this is the highest resolution dashcam that Viofo offers, which has a 4K resolution recording. It's you can even see that on the dashcam itself. Let's go closer. There you go. On the side it says 4K Ultra HD. That's the highest resolution that's available on dashcams right now. We're also installing it via a hardwire kit. This will allow us to have this very clean and seamless installation. You don't see any wires dangling on your dashboard or console. It's going to be very clean because all you will be seeing is just the wires on top. Now, another advantage of doing this as well is that we could actually activate the dashcam's built-in parking mode. So for those that are not familiar with it, it is a very good feature to have, guys, because if you're investing on a dashcam, when you're paying for it and you're only going to be using it during driving, then roughly, you're only using half of the dashcam's potential. But with our Viofo dashcam, and when installing it via the hardwire kit, you can actually take advantage of their dashcam even if the vehicle is parking. So for example, if somebody hits your vehicle when your car is parked on the mall or wherever you're leaving your vehicle, this still has the potential of recording, thus making sure that the amount of money that you're spending, you're going to recover your investment sooner. So that's going to be peace of mind and excellent for those customers who want to protect and secure their vehicle. Alright guys, so that's it for today. This is a feature for A129 Pro Duo 4K dashcam here at Bloodworks Philippines. Have a great day.